Hey family, good morning. Happy Saturday. Did you miss me? Have you missed me? No. Happy Saturday, family. Your girl just got over a cold. Like, for real, for real. Who has colds? Like, who does that? It came out of nowhere. Sniffing and sneezing every 2 minutes. It was just crazy. So I ended up going to the store and getting some vitamin C, and that seemed to work. I think it wasn't until after I took the vitamin C that the sniffing, and the sneezing stopped. It could have been a coincidence. I don't know, but I'm gonna say it was the vitamin C. So I'm feeling a whole lot better. A little bit behind on some things. I got sick, so I had to reschedule a Facebook Live that I was invited to do. So that's going to be rescheduled to after the first of the year. I was really hurt to do that, but I didn't want to get on somebody's Facebook Live blowing my nose. Like, I literally legit have tissue in my car right now, because like a whole roll of tissue in my car right now, because that's just how much my nose was running, and I didn't want to get on nobody's camera like that. So yeah, so I'm back at it this morning, and car problems. Your girl got car problems. So we're going to take my car. First off, let me tell you something. It's not even really major. My car needs a tune-up, and I have an engine coil that's out. So I took it to Goodyear. And so when he says, tune-up and engine coil, I'm like, okay, cool. That shouldn't be, too much nothing, right? For a tune-up and to replace one engine coil, because I have 6. And of course, according to them, when one goes out, the other 5 are soon to follow. So they gave me 2 quotes. The first quote was just to do the tune-up and replace one engine coil, $900. To replace all 6 engine coils and a tune-up, $1,600. Sir, I'm coming to get my car. Thank you. I'm not paying you that. So I'm going to take my car to the mechanic later on today. That's closer to the townhouse that we used to live in. I'm going to take my car to him and have him do it. Like, I'm not paying you guys $1,600 for a tune-up. I'm just not doing that. So yeah, so that's where I am right now. I keep looking over here because I am finishing up my speaker wheel demo for AST, and yeah, I'm probably gonna let you guys see it because it's only like a minute or so. So yeah, I'll probably give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek, and you guys tell me what you think. So it's gonna be a very uneventful day. I think Jeremy and I are gonna get out and catch a movie. We still haven't seen Thor, believe it or not. So we want to go see Thor. Take my car to the mechanic and do a little work, spend a little time with my hubby, and that's really gonna be it, honestly. My office is a mess, as you already know from the last video. Yeah, it's a mess. But what I did was I went and looked up to get some storage bins, because I want to get some storage bins for the closet, so I can have some room to put like my books and my supplies and stuff like that in between events. And this is what I found, and I like it. I think it's so they're really, really nice. It's not the typical black and white clear plastic bins, because it's a charcoal brown and it has like this weave pattern. Now it is plastic, you guys. It's definitely plastic, and so the drawers are pretty deep, so I'll be able to get some stuff in there. And it's 3 drawers, so I decided to get 2 for extra room, extra space. But yeah, I'm really liking it. I think that's gonna really work out and help out a whole lot. So I'm excited about that. So yeah, at some point I need to start getting, you know, my office or my HQ organized so I can do big things in 2018. Since your girl has a staff, a 1-person staff, but staff nonetheless. And yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, to get some organization done. So those 2 bins are gonna go into the closet because I don't have space just to be having it out. But yeah, you know, it's gonna go in the closet, and I'm gonna put like my books and you know, all the little things that goes into my little kits and stuff that I sell when I do book discussions. The supplies from like my you know, for my vendor tables. Since I got a, you know, vendor table set up on fleek, ready to go whenever I'm ready to do any vendoring, if you will, or speaking engagements where I have a table in the, you know, in the back of the room to sell my book. I can decorate the table how I want. So yeah, so my video has finished. So yeah, let's I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, and let me know what you think. So my journey to purpose started off, you know, Chicago Heights, Illinois, which is outside of 30 minutes outside of Chicago. I was born and raised in a drug-infested ghetto that was overrun by gangs, to a single teenage mom living on welfare. And if that wasn't enough, I had an abusive, drug-addicted pedophile as a father figure. They were taking issue decisions because this is something that we do every single day, right? Not knowing, unknowingly we do it, and we do it multiple times a day. But when we second guess our decisions, we're second guessing ourselves. And when we do that, doubt kicks in. And when we have self-doubt, our personal growth is pretty much stifled. And the most time, in most cases, when we're second guessing our decisions and second guessing ourselves, it's because of fear. Fear is the number one reason we don't do a lot of things, right? And specifically, fear of the unknown. And for me, I had to learn how to deal with fear at a very young age. We must become our own advocate by speaking life into our own situations. And then we must have every ounce of courage in ourselves to embrace every aspect of our imperfection. Because the strength of our mindset comes from within us. Changing your mindset is not an overnight process. I wish it was. It's gonna take hard work and a commitment to yourself every single day. But I promise you, it's worth it. No, you don't have to journey alone. Because as your sister coach, it is my duty to make sure you have the tools and encouragement needed to live your best life. So just in case you haven't heard it, I'm going to tell you right now. And please don't ever forget this. You are enough, and your truth is beautiful. Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that?
You tell me. You don't ask her.
Yeah, buddy. I just dropped my car off at the mechanic. Cause ain't nobody paying nobody $1,600 for a goddamn Tuneup. Not no good $1,600. I'm not.
Man, I wonder was it the labor they were trying to charge you for? You know, got someone to do it for $200. I mean, what was
I
it
don't
labor?
know. I to be honest, I think Ben underprices himself. I just, that's what I think. But also, you know, Ben charge at cost for parts. You know, when you go to places like Goodyear and dealership, they upcharge the
15-20% markup on the price.
Right.
Yeah.
On the parts too,
But
in addition to the labor.
Still, $200. That's like 4 times less than what.
No, that's like a million times. That's like a million times less.
Yeah. 8 times less.
Yeah, because he's only gonna charge. He's only charging $200.
Yeah, 8 times less than Goodyear was saying.
But the $1,600 was like all the engine coils too, though. Because remember, Ben said it was going to be more to change out all the engine coils, but he said it wasn't necessary. Whereas Goodyear was like,
well, you know,
you should just change them out. But of course they're going to tell you that so they can sell you.
I think that's what gets me like now. You would figure a place like Goodyear, and then the mechanics, I don't think they get paid on commission or anything like that. So whatever they fix, it's not like they're getting money in their own pocket. But you'll figure that someone who parts labor and everything's going into their pocket, they would be the ones that would mark up. Versus these big corporations where they would.
The mechanics may not get any commission, but they're not the ones that setting the prices. They're the ones who are just saying what the problem is. It's the company that's charging, you know, that's setting the prices or whatever. But you know, he was saying it costs. What was driving up the cost is the fact that they had to remove the manifest or the manifold off the engine, which requires a lot of work, I guess, because it's the engine coils. So, and they also included in that estimate too was a fuel injector cleaning or something. So,
Yeah, that's what done
for $1,600, huh?
Yeah, that's part of Tuneup. So I figure the fuel injection cleaning or the fuel just manifold. Yeah, that would be done during the Tuneup.
Man, that was an additional $70, $80. So are we gonna go see Thor or Jumanji? Because we think Jumanji came out. You know, we gotta go support our boy. We gotta go support Kevin Hart. We're huge Kevin Hart fans, even though I know some of y'all are not. But we love Kevin Hart. So we don't know if we're gonna go see Jumanji or Thor.
With the whole Marvel storyline is running with them, but
so you wanna? So does that mean we're gonna see Thor?
I don't know. Let me look at the times.
Oh, you gonna look at the times? You know, we grown. We can do 2 movies. It's not like we got a curfew.
True. Once again, let me look at the times and see what span we're in and what now.
Okay.
I'll let you do that because I'm driving. So.
What? Look at the times.
Up there.
We going to which movie did we going to? Want to go by the house? Okay. We made it out to dinner. It's cold outside, so we got some hot cocoa. You trying to be like me? But she forgot to bring her spoons. You just guzzles hot ass cocoa. This was made with water. Cocoa is usually made with milk. At least that's how I make mine. Can we get some spoons? Yes, ma'am. So dinner before the movie. So what you think? Okay, so what you think about 2020 for New Year's? 2020?
Well, is this 2020? Is anyone else? Is it just them, or is there like a? I never was a huge 2020 fan.
You say you're not?
I mean, but you know, is it just going to be them, or is it like 2020 and I don't know, Jagged Edge or 112 or something like that?
I don't know. I would have to see, because I just saw that they're coming to town, but I didn't even pay attention. They was coming to get somebody else. Thank you. Hey guys, it's the next morning. I just wanted to come in and close out the vlog to say thank you for hanging out with us. Yesterday, it was a completely uneventful day, but hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. In case you're wondering, we ended up going to see Jumanji instead of Thor. Jeremy changed his mind at the last minute, but Jumanji was really good. We was cracking up laughing throughout pretty much about the whole movie. It was hilariously funny, so we really enjoyed it. If you have kids, definitely go take your kids to see it, because it's a kid-friendly movie. It was really good. So yeah, thanks guys for always watching. Thanks for always supporting. And if you finding me for the very first time, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so you can get notifications every time I upload new videos. If you love hanging out with your girl and your boy, please give us a thumbs up and share with your family and your friends. Let's spread the love, right? I see you guys in the next video. Till next time, peace.